Guys, make sure you stay until the end. We'll talk about common mistakes people make, and they may end up spending thousands of dollars on repairs, diagnostics, parts that they may not actually even need. We'll talk about that in this video today. Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Super quick, very helpful video for any of you trying to find the interior pre-fuse box main mega fuse. Stay with us, we'll explain where it's located on that first generation Mercedes GLC. Please do not waste your money on parts, tools, diagnostics until you watch that video. It could be quite simple fix. After that, if you need to buy any replacement parts and tools, guys, we'll share the information in the description of the video below where you can get them from. That way, do not waste money and time. Let's start on it now. Even before we start, guys, let us share something with you. Okay, 9 out of 10 people do not know there will be hidden fuse boxes in that Mercedes. How many? Up to 6, 7 different fuse boxes, guys. Now, that's why we made a special video on our YouTube channel that's called Mercedes GLC fuse box location and diagram. Check it out. It's a video that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Now, guys, when we make all these free videos, we take every single car apart that we get here at the garage. We make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We show you how to fix engines, transmission, codes, fuses, relays, because our mission at the garage is to save you as much money as we can. All we need, guys, in return, subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these free videos. By the way, guys, check out our YouTube channels. We have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. So let's go ahead and start on it now. We have an interior pre-fuse box hidden in the Mercedes, and you need to supply power to that pre-fuse box. Where is the fuse located? Come to show you on that Mercedes GLC, that generation Mercedes GLC. Guys, what do we need to do now here? Okay, if we open, if we come to the inside, remove your glove box. There are multiple videos on YouTube how to remove the glove box. Deep inside on the left side, inside the dash, that's the interior pre-fuse box we're talking about. When you open it, you have multiple fuses here. If you have problems with it, you need to check that fuse right there, okay? But there is other things we need to check. There is a hidden fuse. Before we continue, let's explain why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. So guys, let us tell you something really quick, guys. People make one common mistake. They never test fuses, relays. They look at them and they assume they're good. At that point, they think they have a good fuse or relay, and they start replacing modules, computers, parts that can cost you thousands of dollars in repairs, guys. Always test your fuses. You have no idea how many cars we fixed for customers that said, oh, I checked the fuse, everything's fine, but I still have a problem. Now, some fuses are super hard to see if they're burnt or not. Some of them will be really easily accessible. You can clearly see them, but there will be fuses that are not see-through, fuses that may look like they're not burned, but they're actually burned. And often, guys, you can actually even test these fuses. Okay, let me show you now without even removing them. But it's very important to know how to test different fuses and relays, and if you want to see how to do that, guys, we're going to put that link to a video in the description of the video below, how to test fuse, how to test a relay. Always check that. I want to emphasize that enough because it could be a really simple fix. And the other fuse that we need to check, if we come under the hood, guys, here where the positive jump starter terminal is located, guys, check this thing out. It looks like this one. If you open the cover, that's a positive jump starter terminal, which is part of a pre-fuse box. This is the back side of it, and there will be multiple wires and cables going here. And if you open it, it will look exactly almost the same like the interior pre-fuse box. But here, guys, now we need to check fuse number 10. Fuse number 10, right here, excuse me. Fuse number 10, that's right. We'll be supplying, guys, okay. We'll be supplying power to the interior pre-fuse box right here. This is the main fuse that you will need to check. Those are fuses that most people don't even know they exist. We're here to save you as much money as we can. Guys, this Mercedes has all kind of different fuses, right? You can see just in this fuse box we have 2 different kinds. Then if you go in this one, you have even some more special fuses right there in the trunk fuse box as well, guys. Now, it's always a good idea to keep some spare ones, guys, in the glove box for a peace of mind. That way, if you're in the middle of nowhere, you need a fuse, you replace it, you're back on the road. Otherwise, we'll be stuck in the middle of nowhere, guys. We'll share the links in the description of the video below where you can get replacement fuses, relays, where we get most of our tools, part supplies from as well. Hopefully, guys, the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Thank you for watching and see you next time.